Here we go, here we go, and here we go. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 67 cents. Beautiful, guys. Finally, definitely in the green. Wow. Wow, guys. Bitcoin even pumping as well. Nice. We need all these coins to slowly go up, guys, because this is just a theory. If XRP decouples and spikes up randomly 100% to the upside, then the recession is here. But looking really good. So check this out, guys. On Twitter, right, something interesting has been going on around, because this is what I've seen. Majority of the cryptosphere believes Bitcoin will go around 50k ish, guys, which I could see it happening. You guys want to know why? Because of the USDT dominance charts. Let me actually pull that up. Oh, and by the way, guys, I just want to preface before we talk about this chart is by saying I had all these lines here since like from last year or so, guys, from so long ago, right? So I didn't just place them I didn't just place them there right now. So I just want to put that out there. So as we can see, I mean, it's pretty clear we're going to head towards that level, guys, because there's support over here at these ranges. This is the dominance chart for USDT, right? Now this is where I found it very fascinating, though. A lot of people, a lot of the Bitcoin folks believes that it's going to go up there or around there and then back a dump back down to like 30k ish, right? And then retest supports and move back up, guys. So that's the consensus here. Now, what if it doesn't happen? I don't know, guys, but I'm looking towards that USDT chart dominance, because it probably will foretell the future. Now, I'm not too worried about price action in the short term. I'm worried about 2024 and possibly a huge correction, and it pertains towards not cryptos. Generally, something within cryptocurrencies won't make that happen, guys. That dump. What usually does is a recession, right? Something in the macro term or view, shall we say instead. So again, we're going to be making content, guys. I'm going to be throwing out videos out there, and let's see what happens in the future. But I'm getting really excited, especially with XRP. Especially why? I'm in a long as well, guys, right? In a leverage long. It's crazy. I may show you guys in the next video. I don't know, but wow, check this out, guys. Boom! XRP just surpasses Bitcoin. Just surpassed Bitcoin. I mean, not Bitcoin. BNB. Maybe one day, hopefully Bitcoin, but BNB making it top 4 by market cap, guys. There we go. Wow, I didn't even notice that. Oh wait, is it there, guys? Let's see. Oh, it's right there. Wow, it's only like by 100 something million, guys. Right? Wow, that's insane. Almost. So they're fighting it out right now. They're battling, guys. Again, BNB is literally an S coin, right? I don't even know how it's there in the first place. Obviously manipulated, but hopefully XRP starts cannibalizing them. Now, financial advice. Now, guys, we're the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, does this go? Wait, interesting. Here we go, guys. I'm super excited. I don't know what's happening, but David Schwartz comes in just right now, guys, just an hour ago. As many of you know, I sold 40,000 Ethereum at about $1 to put solar panels on a house I no longer own. That Ethereum was worth over $100 million shortly after. And there we go, guys, right? So here's the I'm not giving any advice, but I found something interesting with David Schwartz. Why? He called the top at $1.96 for XRP. He called the bottom at around 30 something cents for XRP. We called the bottom before him, but that's besides the point. One strike, two strikes, and the third one you're out, guys, right? So we did say, even though he's calling tops and bottoms like never before, guys, right? Like obviously he's an insider. It's literally impossible, right? It's I mean, guys, it's insane stuff. So he's in the know, obviously. Now my question is, look at him. He sold Ethereum though, right? At about $1. And then he lost about $100 million, guys, or he lost a bunch of profits, right? So that's what I was saying. Maybe we should be cautious next time, right? Next time he does throw a caution out there or a warning tweet out there, guys, maybe we should think twice. Now, I'm not here, right? I'm not here to give any advice, not financial advice at the end of the day, but that's what I found. That's what I found interesting. Now, if he does say the top is in or something, right, or along those lines, right around a recession, then I know he's telling the truth. But well, I believe in David Schwartz though, right? Now, onwards, my father ironically did almost the same thing. After my older siblings moved out, my parents didn't need the enormous house we were living in, but it needed quite a bit of fixing up to sell. So my father sunk a lot of money into gutting and redoing the house, but during the months it took to do that, as renovation costs escalated, the real estate market crashed. Whoa, interesting. He's talking about a crash, huh? He took a huge loss on the deal. But guess how he funded the renovation and purchase of a new house while the old one was renovated? He sold his Apple stock. The stock went up about 5x over the same time period. Like father, like son, I guess. Oh, wow. Interesting. Here's a picture of my dad from 1950s when he was a geek. I miss him every day. Wow, guys. Right. And then, the comments down below are saying that, noted, do not sell your XRP, right? People are going to interpret this like XRP is about to skyrocket or something. Watch. We all know you are a billionaire, so all good. I am not. But the funny thing is that if I had really tried to be, I probably would be now. I succeeded to the exact extent I was really trying to succeed. There might be a lesson in there. Wow, guys. Right, so a lot of people are saying do not sell your XRP early, but I'm taking profits, guys. I do not care. This is why I have a short-term bag, right? I'm trading with a short-term bag for XRP. I may show you guys in the next video. I'm not quite sure, but I'm leveraging, guys. So obviously that's super risky. So if it does go to zero, let it be. But things are looking quite bullish, aren't they? So again, 2024 is about to be so mysterious, guys, right? Like, I don't really know what's going to 100% take place, guys, because I'm not an insider. Duh. You have to let the riddlers. Yeah, you have to talk to the riddlers about that. But something is incoming, guys. I can feel it, right? How do the riddlers keep getting it right and right and right? Forbes came out, annual listing of the best growth ETFs. You guys see this interesting picture, right? Well, that same picture, literally, guys, no differences, right? I don't know about this one. This seems a little bit pixelated, but it's literally the same, right? Maybe the point of view is different, but the colors, the eggs, guys, right? The placement of the eggs, they're all, it's looking very similar, to say the least. Now, that's insane, right? So how did Mr. Poole get that correct? I don't know. Now, the eggs connect to ETFs, right? Seller 17 states, watch on 3/11/24, Grayscale XRP ETF will launch. Wow. Fascinating, guys. Right, fascinating. So that would be an interesting date because that will connect to the Riddler's numbers once again, 11/3 or 3/11, March 11th. And this pertains to ETFs, 10 best growth ETFs of 2023, right? And it shows all these ETFs, guys, right? But that pertains towards the traditional financial system, if I'm not mistaken, right? But look what just came out today. Justin, it just came out just now, guys, right? just then, SEC holds a meeting with Fidelity to discuss its spot Bitcoin ETF. So this just recently happened, like, I don't know, 30 minutes ago or so, guys, right? And like an hour or so. And it seems as they're about to go live soon, right? The timing of this, just look at that. How? I don't get it. Now, it gets even more fascinating because when we talk about the connections with the eggs, right, guys, what does it pertain towards? Look at that. Easter. Right. That's weird, isn't it? Easter is around April or so, guys. And what do we say? Perhaps there's going to be some type of ritual taking place. Let us prepare, not financial advice. Now, why do we keep saying possibly 2024 is about to be mysterious? It's because David Schwartz comes out like I give a bit about glorified calculator's opinion. Look what Grok said right here. Oh boy, David Schwartz, where do I even begin? You're like a train wreck of tweets. Train wreck. right? Crashing in real time. Interesting. Unfortunate, right? I don't know, guys. Maybe there's something more deeper to these sweets than people perceive it to be, right? Why? Because I was looking at the recession chart, guys. I'm just going to throw it in here, honestly. Screw it. Where is it? So I just put in this chart right now, guys. I was just looking at this chart, and this is the unemployment data, right? Data, and it seems as even though just today or something, guys, it came out, it came in, it dumped, right? Which is good if you don't want to see a hard landing, a recession. But I don't know. The charts are telling me something isn't coming, to say at least, but not financial advice at the end of the day. And then we see how you let me know, please. Look at this, right? Grok, right? The I think Twitter or X's AI bot. I'm not even sure, but we can see. Look at the symbol. What are the chances, guys? Right, from Ross Vandermeer. Look at that right there, guys. I don't get it, right? It's the same damn thing, and I think that connects to a bank symbol or logo as well. Half of the X, the other half payments. Deutsche Bank, right? That's what it would connect to. Interesting. So the logo meets the quality criteria required for a premium brand. Simple yet striking form, able to generate and ensure recognition, supporting the identity of Deutsche Bank. Consistent frame of reference. Slash stands for consistent growth and dynamic development. The square-shaped frame can be interpreted as a sign of security and a controlled environment. Right, slash and half. Half of something and half of the other, huh? Now, when we talk about riddles and riddlers for Mr. Pool, 12.8 deltas today, guys. Christmas is coming soon, right? I'm excited because variable gamma 3 is going to be activated hopefully soon as well, guys. I can't wait, right? And especially when XRP is pumping as we speak. Now, the final tweet from today's video comes from Baba Cucks. Wake me up when XRP moons, guys. Literally, right? Not when September ends, but when XRP moons. It's at 67 cents. I couldn't believe it. Let's go! Come on, guys. Let's go. Not financial ways. Let's see what happens in the near future. In the near future, things are looking quite well. What is guys? Hope you guys amazing. See ya.